located in the southern part of Asia. I repeat, India is located in the southern part of Asia. If I answer a question, in which part of Asia is India located? You need to write India is located in southern part of Asia. This is the simple answer. Or if you write it is located in southern part of Asia, you will be getting the answer. But you need to write neatly without any spelling mistakes. And you should be thorough with the answers. Next, which two island groups are a part of India? One is Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal, and one more is Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea. These are the two island groups. One is Andaman and Nicobar Islands, which is present in the Bay of Bengal. Next, Lakshadweep Islands in Arabian Sea. So, if you are not able to frame a sentence, you should write it as the two island groups are are present in the part of India are first one Andaman and Nicobar Islands, second one you need to write Lakshadweep Island. Next question, we'll move on to the next question. Write the names of the water bodies that surrounded India. So India is surrounded by three water bodies, that is Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean. These are the three. So you need to mention India is the names of the water bodies that surrounded by India are Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean. Next, what are the political divisions of India? The states and the union territories together we call it as political divisions of India. You can mention the state along with the union territories, we call it as political divisions of India. So students, next, name the neighboring countries of the India. That is Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China and Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. If you could see in this map, so suppose India is our country. So next to India, which are all the other countries which are there are present? So Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar and Sri Lanka. That is the neighboring countries of India. Next, why is India known as peninsular country? Actually, what is peninsula? Peninsula, what do we call peninsula? If a piece of land is surrounded by water on its three sides, is called peninsula. So, India is known as peninsular country as is the three sides of its sides is surrounded by water bodies. That is Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. See, you could see in this map, India is a peninsular country because all the three sides, 1, 2, 3, east, west, south, all the three sides it is been covered by the water bodies. So it is called peninsular. Next, name the physical features of India. That is, India is been covered, the landform of the India is covered by which way or in what are the surface of the land of Indian country is being covered by different forms. One is it has got mountains, northern plains, Great Indian Desert, plateaus and highlands, coastal plains. So it has got mountains, plains, in desert, plateaus, coastal plains and highlands. These are the physical features. Physical features is nothing but how the landform is being formed in different regions of Indian country. Next, how is a peninsula different from an island? This one is you need to know the difference between how peninsular India is a peninsular country as it is surrounded by three sides of water and one side by land. We call it as peninsula. What is highland then? A peninsula refers to the piece of land which is surrounded by water on three sides. One side by land and three sides of water we call it as peninsular. whereas highland is surrounded by water on all its sides. That is, all the four sides is been covered by, center will be the land, and around the land it is surrounded by fully water. We call it as highlands. So in this second chapter, basically what we learned is where is the India located in the Asian continent. Next, which are the highlands, that is Andaman and Nicobar Highlands and Lakshadweep Highlands. Andaman and Nicobar Highlands is present in the Bay of Bengal, and Arabian Sea we see Lakshadweep. Then what do you mean by peninsular country, and which are the neighboring countries of India, and how many states and union territories of India are there. So all these we studies children, and even we saw which are the neighboring countries of India, and which are the physical features of India, and difference between highland and peninsula. So these are all the points, or the which are all the topics which we covered in the second chapter, that is India our country.